Hey, how you doing, everyone? Arnie here, TJ Baja Customs. We're looking to show you guys how we're going to do cosmetics on the engine. And 65 Mustang that we're just did. We're going to show you the process. It's pretty easy actually, how it's been done. You just take out the engine, clean the entire area, super clean, and then paint it. Black chassis paint specifically. And then we paint the engine. Rewire everything, and everything will look pretty good. We will show you in some images you have on the screen. But now, we're doing some family reunion. We're going to show you what we're cooking. Some ribeyes, T-bones, and salmon. Give us your likes. Thank you, guys. Hey, how you doing? This is the part that I was telling you about engine cosmetics in this 65 Mustang coupe. So what we're doing here is that we're taking off the engine, cleaning up the entire surface perfectly fine, sand it, clean it, and then we apply the black chassis paint in order to prevent more rust and more problems with the metal. And then we paint the engine with the original blue Ford back in the years. So we do as much as details as we could in order to make it look as it came from factory. And another very good detail about this is that we learned over the years that we need to give this number very, very clear. Because when the owner have the register in the DMV, if that number is not that clear, we're going to have problems. They're going to make you sand and remove the paint in order to have the numbers clear. So that's what we're doing in order to prevent that problem. So this is the final result. After paint, after treatment, this is cosmetics. 65 Mustang, give us your like. Thanks so much.